Hello, hello, welcome to my kitchen. So I wanted to come on and give you a little chat all about what we've had done. So that's my partner Keith and I, we bought this house about 4 years ago. And when we bought it, the kitchen was like really run down and really old. We threw in just a cheap and cheerful kitchen just to get us through, always knowing that we wanted to do some work to the house. And we have now done it. We have knocked down walls and put in a brand new kitchen. You might notice I've gone for a subdued colour scheme. Yeah, it's a bit bold, it's a bit out there. So I'm gonna show you around my kitchen. Welcome. So first of all, I wanted to talk about my breakfast bar. I absolutely flipping love this. So we've gone for this, the colour scheme is called Gummy Bear. This is an Infinity Plus kitchen, which is based on the old shaker style. Okay, and we've got a lovely gloss finish, a black gloss with a bit of sparkle. Do like a bit of sparkle, with a lovely sparkle in the worktop. And we've got like a copper trim all the way around this, but I absolutely love having a breakfast bar. Not had one of those before, so that was a real treat getting that in the kitchen. Now you can see that there's a technical term for that sticky out bit of wall, but that's where our wall came across, and we've opened this right out. I'm going to take you into the kitchen now. So we're now in the actual kitchen sort of part of it. We've gone for a lovely, I don't know what this is called. It's more ceramic, but it's a gorgeous sink with, of course, the copper taps. I love those. We've got a new dishwasher. So the dishwasher is a fitted dishwasher. We've had all that fitted in. But if I just turn this slightly, the actual cooker I already had. So I already had my lovely range cooker, didn't want to get rid of that. So we wanted to work around what we already had in appliances. So these lovely doors, I adore them, and they are that amazing soft close. Let it do its thing. It's so good. I don't have bang every time somebody opens and closes a kitchen door now, which is amazing. I love it. And this side of the kitchen is more the utility side. So I already had my washing machine and my tumble dryer. Those were already here. Didn't need to get new appliances, as I say, but we wanted to work around what we've got. So we've got a gorgeous side here, which is where I keep all my cleaning stuff and everything. Soft close, love that. And then we wanted a feature unit. So we went for one of these lovely glass units. And we've got lights in there as well that just makes it that little bit special. I'm going to take the camera out. I should say that we did all this at Rushden. We went to Rushden Lakes to choose our kitchen, and the amazing Sapphire was our designer. So she sat with us. I think we had at least 3 sittings where we went through different ideas, different designs, working out what we were taking down, because I'm stood under just here was another wall. So we had a wall there and a wall over there. It's all now totally open plan. So we've also got, now I'm sure there is a technical term for one of these, but it's one of these, I want to call it a whirligig, but it's not. But you pull it out. Can you see that? And then it just goes back in. How super cute is that? Amazing. So we've got a wine rack up above the fridge, and all these lovely cupboards. So I've got all my plates in here. We are absolutely thrilled. So as I say, this is an Infinity Plus kitchen. It's Gummy Bear, and I think Gummy Bear and orange go just perfectly together, don't you? The splashback I got from Premier Range. And Sapphire helped us measure up what we needed and everything, so I got the right measurements and all that, because I'm not very good at that. But yeah, she sorted us all out. But yeah, how amazing. I'm going to do a little twiddle round. Oh, sorry, that's my stand. I put my camera on it. Little twiddle round so you can see. So that goes into our living room, so it's now totally open plan. There's the breakfast bar. There we go. This kitchen is for dancing. It absolutely is. So you can see all the different cupboards, or I should have shown you that one. It's a great corner unit. So this has got, oh, I love this. So it's a huge cupboard. Get all my bits in there, all my saucepans and everything. So that works really, really well. But yeah, we are so flipping happy with our Wren kitchen. The colours, the fit, the design, everything. It's been an absolute dream. So thank you to Wren. Thank you to Sapphire for all your help. Thank you to our amazing kitchen fitters. Do you like, I even got an orange tea towel in there. Amazing. All right then, my loves, take care. Speak to you soon. Bye.